Hi guys, in today's video I am going to show you how you can withdraw money from Empower Retirement 401k. There are many type of withdrawals. So first is retirement withdrawal, early withdrawal, hardship withdrawal and rollover. So it is up to you which one you want. So on the second step you need to log in into your Empower account. Visit this website and log in into your account with your username and password. Then you need to navigate to withdrawal and choose withdrawal type. Okay, so it is up to you. And after that you need to provide necessary documentation and select the payment method and review and submit. Confirmation and processing time, it depends on the method or the type which you choose from here for withdrawal. Okay, and in the next step you need to consult a financial advisor if you want to do so. It is not compulsory, it is up to you. And then you need to monitor your withdrawal. So this is a process that you need to follow to withdraw money from Empower Retirement. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.